Hi, so this is July 6th, and wow, about 2:20 p.m. and there it is, a new restaurant. Yeah, Dahan Skewer, right? Oh yeah. So yeah, right across from 4KNA. Just ate there not too long ago, a few days ago. Yeah, dumpling factory and all this, and Ono seafood, right? Yeah, they got some parking. Oh, not too much, but this is off hours, so yeah, figure came in a good time. Yeah, get my lunch over here. All right, so all right, let's take a look. Let's see what they got. Okay, so this is udon gama, and this side. Let's see. No. Wait, is this starch appetizer? Okay. So Dahan Skewer signature. Yeah. Alright, they had this sign over here. What is this? Oh yeah. Something special. Oh, daily special, $9.98. Dahan or Dehan Skewer, $9.98. Okay, I wonder what that is. Oh, okay, here we go. Nanjing braised pork noodles, $9.98. Or shoyu chicken rice plate, or braised pork noodles. Ah. Okay. So I figure, yeah, I'll have that. Nanjing braised pork noodles. Or do I want shoyu chicken rice plate? No. Nanjing braised pork noodles sounds better. Okay. That'll be my lunch. I wonder how much there is. Yeah. So their schedule is 10:30 a.m. till 10:30 p.m. Yeah, and oh, later on the other days too. Wow, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna have my order. Oh, they're open. Yeah. So right here. Nobody. All right, one person. Are you open? Are you open? Oh, you're open.
Yeah, open.
Oh, okay, one person. So, let's get a seat over here. All right.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Okay. So, all right. So here we go. I'm looking at this. Oh, let me change my glass. All right. Appetizer. So, oh, hi. Thank you. My drinks, deep fried special, and chicken. Oh wow, they got gluten seitan, gluten tofu. I don't see that on the menu. Oh. South Station. Okay. Wait. where's that special? Right, I'm gonna be right back. All right, so supposedly what you call Nanjing braised pork noodle soup, right? Outside it says $9.98. On the menu it says $15.98 right here, but outside, yeah, they're offering it as a special $9.98. So I'm gonna try that, and then there's also shoyu chicken rice plate, right? So I'm thinking once they bring this out, then I'll take a look at it. If it's, like not too much, then I'm probably gonna order the shoyu chicken rice plate. That's also $9.98. So, but I'm gonna wait and see how much it is, okay? Quantity wise. So I'll continue once my food comes out. Alright, there's one more that I placed an order just now. Spicy pickle chicken feet. Yeah, and that's $12.89. Right. That sounded good. Because I always like spicy chicken feet. So, wow. Alright, I'll try that one. Alright?
Sorry, sir. This one we know.
Alright, so yeah, my noodle came out, and yeah, this is the Nanjing braised pork soup noodle. Okay, they're having special. Right. Okay, so anyway, the spicy chicken feet. They said they don't have the ingredients. Yeah, no more. So, oh well. I didn't get the order. Okay, I'll test this one, see how it goes. Alright, let me see. Test the soup. Oh, nice. Yes, wow. Alright, and the noodle. Wow, slightly thick type. Not as much as udon, but chewy. Wow, this is really good. I think one plate would be enough, because if I go order the other special also, soyu chicken rice, maybe too much. Yeah, I think this is it. Wow, the noodle is really good. Very chewy. Wow, the egg. The soup is very nice. Oh yeah, and yeah, the worker will be waitress, very friendly, but limited on English. Mm. Wow, the cooking is very good. Seasoning is very nice. The noodle is very chewy. Yeah. Yes, it's one of those noodles that if I can eat every day and I'll be happy. Yeah, just keep drinking the soup and taste. It just doesn't get old. It's good. Yep, that was a good meal. Alright. Alright, yes. They do have a restroom right inside. Okay, and yeah, just finished my meal and I said thank you for watching.